With coronavirus now playing a huge part in everybody's life, broadband and internet connections as well as Wi-Fi are crucial, not only for working from home, but also everyday usage for the entertainment we need. So what should we be thinking about when installing and setting up a good broadband and Wi-Fi setup? Here are a few pointers. First of all, you need a good basic broadband connection from your service provider. This could be a wired connection like ADSL, but better to have fibre if you can. There are also other solutions as well, things like wireless provision to the home, but whatever it is, go for the fastest speed you can. Go for a good router as well. Ensure that the router that you have has the latest standards on it. Things like 802.11ac will be seen in the specification. Try and go for that. 802.11n is good, but doesn't give the same speed as AC. Also think about multiple antenna ones with MIMO and beam steering located or mentioned in the specifications. These will help get the best Wi-Fi signals to the devices. And think about connecting heavy usage devices via Ethernet, a wired connection. We're all familiar with these wires that we get with routers and the like. So think about connecting those via Ethernet if at all possible. These won't be subject to the vagaries of wireless signals that may not always be able to provide a solid, reliable signal all the time. Talking about that, locate the router in the best position possible. Keep the router centrally located if possible so that its signal can reach out either side, and don't hide it away. Try and put it on a table or somewhere where it can transmit and its signal can be seen by all the devices around. Don't put it where a device possibly has to get its signal via a thick wall in the home or the office or things like that. Also, there are almost bound to be Wi-Fi not spots. Think about range extenders. There are plenty of Wi-Fi range extenders available, and these can take many forms. Some will be simple repeaters, so they receive a signal from the router and then rebroadcast it. And these need to be placed where they get a good signal from the router, but also they can transmit and signals into the not spots, so they need to be sort of halfway between. But there are also things like access points. Very often some routers can be configured as access points, and they can be linked via Ethernet. But it's not always convenient to have an Ethernet signal, an Ethernet wire around the house. So you may want to consider something like these here. These are power line devices, and what they do, one of them is linked to the router, and it then transmits its signal over the power line, and then the other one picks that up and can transmit and give coverage for the not spot. So those are a few links, a few ideas for things that can be done. If you need more, check out the links in the space below, and there are some good ideas there that you can follow up on. So hopefully this has been of help. Hopefully this will give you a few ideas to work on to give you just that best Wi-Fi signal that you can to get the best connectivity.